Alright guys, mga kaaraw, so ito ginamit lang natin. So ito, ginamit lang natin ang ADV, okay, SR1 ADV ng Vogue. Okay, this is the 180cc guys. Ang ganda, look at that, look at that. Siguradong isa na naman to sa papatok na unit ni Vogue. Ganda. So first, with the appearance, design, yeah, may mga kaitsura siya syempre. Tell you the truth, hindi naman ako scooter. You already know that dito sa channel. Take this video na kumbaga it's coming from a newbie pagdating sa scooter. So I'm just basically someone who's, you know, tried scooter at hindi ganon kalalim ang nalalaman natin dito. But anyway, one thing I can say is I really enjoyed riding this bike also, no. Napakagaan kumpara sa mga ginagamit natin na malalaki. Obviously napakagaan, parang I can say parang laruan na lang sa atin, no. Hindi naman sa pagmamayabang dahil nga gamit natin mga mabibigat. So I was running mga 100 kanina, you know, when I did the stretch, and so far ramdam na ramdam ko yung gaan niya. So maybe for guys na naka-scooter, baka ito po pwede nyo i-top speed to and really feel kung kumusta siya guys. But sa akin, siguro suspension, may share ko, maganda suspension niya. I've actually ran it dito sa gantong klase ng surface. Doon sa kabila may konting tawag dito, kurbada rito kanina, and na-try natin, okay din, no? With the quality, build quality, okay naman. I like this display, maliit pero malinaw, kitang kita ang lahat ng data na kailangan mo, like that. Cute na side mirror, you know, mga ganyan side mirror, manipis lang. For the tail lights, super simple lang, isang, you know, isang diretsong ganun lang. Walang ingay obviously, but maybe if lalagyan mo ng pipe to, baka magkaingay if that's something that you would like. Couple of things, hindi to review ha guys, hindi ko alam mga details ng mga bagay-bagay dito, but you know, syempre simple, you just have to eto, kailangan mo lang ikutin to start, and then dito yung start button nya. And yeah, I believe etong kulay na to dadating dun sa atin to, okay. And then eto, I think na-adjust to once it's on, na-adjust by using a button right here. Ayun here, mas bababa mo, okay. You know, I haven't been really checking other motorcycle brands offering na ganito, but of course I've seen a couple of those. Hindi lang talaga nakakuha ng attention ko, but anyway, just sharing basically what we have experienced so far dito sa motor na to. So I hope kahit paano nakatulong, make more research. By the way, ito sobrang relax pala siya, nakasupot pa pero malambot for the pillion, and dito sa atin sa drivers. Build quality with regards to plastics, okay naman actually. It looks durable, yung rubber na gamit dito makapit, okay. The paint quality obviously is something that's really good. Napuntahan natin yung paint job section nila kahapon, and high tech yung gamit nila with regards to how they do their paints, kaya maganda. So yeah, we don't know yet the price. Kung may magtatanong sa inyo, pasensya na for the price, I don't have that yet, and even Vogue, they're still finalizing it. So I suggest you follow our page and subscribe to the channel. That way updated kayo, lalong lalo na sa mga release ng Vogue at other contents that I post in our channel, and syempre sa ating page. Anyway, that's it. Ang gandang motor din ito guys, abangan natin to sabay-sabay, and malay nyo, baka ang unang ADV ninyo, or maybe change of brand is Vogue na, because so far we've been creating videos for Vogue, and happy naman tayo. That's the vlog right there. Alright, bye for now.